Do you ever come across a blanket with colors that just seem to flow together and wonder how they pull it off? Or glance at your own yarn stash and feel uncertain about how to blend those shades into something that feels like you? In this class, I'm going to share some of my go-to color tips to help you build confidence and start creating palettes that you'll be truly excited to work with in your own crochet projects. Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome to this class on tips for choosing your colors for your crochet projects. I've been crocheting since I was very little, and from the very beginning, color has always been my passion. Over the past few decades, I've designed patterns for garments, home decor, written books, and taught classes. And what excites me most is how color can completely transform even the simplest project. What I'm really drawn to is granny squares. They feel like little mandalas to me. Each one is a chance to experiment with shades, textures, and endless color combinations. So that is how I express color. These days, I share my love of color through tutorials on YouTube, my blog, and behind the scenes extras on Patreon. I've learned that the best way to discover your own style is to just let yourself play. Make mistakes and learn as you go. That's exactly what we'll be focusing on here today. A few of my color tips to make color play a little less overwhelming and a lot more fun. In this class, I'm going to share how I get inspired. Everything from everyday life, nature walks, and even scrolling through my own photo roll. I'll show you how I organize my yarn so playing with color combinations becomes easy and enjoyable. We'll use a simple granny square as a tool to experiment, and I'll provide a download pattern so you can follow along and try out your own ideas. We'll cover some simple tricks for understanding color value, the importance of swatching, and how to play with different color combos until they feel just right. The emphasis here is on exploration. No right or wrong, just learning and discovering what speaks to you. By the end of this class, you'll feel more confident choosing color palettes and combining the shades that you love. The class project will be to share a color palette of your own using the tips in this video. Share your journey, what inspired you, the colors you began with, and how you arrived at your final combination. It's a creative way to experiment, reflect, and celebrate your progress while gaining confidence in your color choices. And the square that I use for the samples in this class is the basis for the one I use in my full granny square scarf class, the perfect next step for putting your new color palette into action. So grab your yarn and let's get ready to play with color.